Welcome to the last part of the piano chair tutorial. All that is left to do is to paint the metallic feet of the chair. Let's hide the legs so they don't get in our way. Press Ctrl-Alt right mouse to zoom on the foot. Reset everything so we can paint it instead. Add the 3D paint material. I just decided for a color that looks somewhat like gold. If you want the exact values, you can find the hex value for gold and use it as color. Now we paint everything with the color. Turn off ground shadows if you want to see the bottom part. We make another 3D paint material that we will use as metal and name the materials properly. Always make sure you have the material in the material graph selected that you want to paint on by double-clicking on it. Everything that gets painted over with white will appear as metal. Painting with black will return the material to normal. Never use any other value than completely black for non-metallic materials or completely white for metal. Now add another 3D paint material for roughness. The black brush color will result in zero roughness and white will give us a complete rough material. Most metals have a roughness around 10% or lower. Hit C to isolate the roughness channel. Press C again. I want the gold to be brighter, so I change the color. If your changes don't affect the painting, go out of paint mode and activate it again. The foot of the chair is finished. I will apply the same gold material to the other feet as well. This is the finished chair with 3 different materials we created. There's another thing I want to show you. If you hide some parts of the model that have a 3D paint material applied, the roughness and bump channels and color can disappear on certain parts. I don't know why this happens, but don't worry, once you make the other parts visible again, everything will go back to normal. This is the end of the tutorial. Let's render out the finished piano chair and see how it looks. I hope this tutorial was useful. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video.